With MJF and Adam Cole teaming up, we just decided to make a tier list with a bunch of unexpected tag teams.
Beer Money.
I'll do Beer Money A tier.
I'll do A tier.
Their theme song alone is S tier.
Miz and Shane McMahon.
Or if entertainment alone and making me laugh like hell, that shit might be B tier.
That's crazy.
Yes, I'm gonna go like C tier.
I'll put them
I'll do
under Seth and Jason. Batista and Ray.
Yeah, I remember that Batista Melina segment.
No, what?
Just because Batista may or may not have a relationship with Melina, I'm putting him in.
You're using Riz to get ahead in the tier list?
You got me. Awesome truth.
But the only thing I can remember these niggas for is getting their asses beat by Triple H.
Ain't they caused the
Alright.
lost strike though?
No confidence.
They might be the top of A, low key.
Nah,
I can still
Cody Rhodes and Bob Holly.
It's D tier.
That shit P, nigga. That shit stink.